Okay, this is a row that I planted 1 week ago. It hasn't sprouted yet, but I'm seeing something that's concerning me. And if we look, we can see that an animal of some sort has dug up and eaten the corn seed. There's another one here. I mean, it's exactly where I planted the corn too. That's exactly what they're going after. There's another one here, so I'm getting some serious damage. I think this is chipmunks or mice, that's my guess. This is the solution that I have, and I've used this before fairly successfully. What I'm gonna do is I have a hole here that I know I've planted a corn seed. It hasn't sprouted yet. I'm gonna put this colander here over the hole where the corn is planted. And then I have another one here, I'll put that there. These colanders I pick up cheap at Goodwill or any kind of retail thrift store. I'm always on the lookout for them. I have Dawn pick some up for me if she sees them. So I have a small collection of them, still gathering more. And I just cover the holes with these colanders. And sometimes you may want to put a tent spike to hold them down. I've had pretty good success just the way they are. The wind could blow some of these over. The round ones tend to stay pretty good. So the round ones actually I think work better. These are a little more tipsy. But that's my solution.